Welcome to Rohit 3D Asset. Let's start modeling.
I know it would be